In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small project or an entire team, Gantt charts are one of the most effective tools for visualizing timelines and tracking progress. And with ClickUp, setting one up is easier than ever. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to create and customize a Gantt chart that keeps your workflow organized and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method, whether that's with your email or a connected social account. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. From here, look to the left side of your screen where your spaces are listed. These spaces are how ClickUp organizes work, and they'll be the foundation for your Gantt chart. Choose the specific space or folder you want to use for your Gantt chart by clicking on it. Now direct your attention to the top of your workspace here. You'll see the View tabs, which allow you to switch between different views. If the Gantt tab is already available, simply click on it to open the Gantt chart. But if you don't see the Gantt tab, don't worry, adding it is simple. Click the plus sign labeled View to open the view options in the search bar, type Gantt, and when it appears in the list, select it. At this point, you'll be prompted to name your new view. Choose a name that fits your project and decide whether you want this view to be private, meaning only you can see it, or shared with your team. Once you've made your choice, click Create to add the Gantt view to your workspace. Now that your Gantt view is set up, it's important to make sure your tasks are ready to populate the timeline. For a task to appear on your Gantt chart, it needs to have both a start date and a due date assigned. If your project involves multiple lists, consider organizing them into a single folder. This will give you a more comprehensive and streamlined Gantt chart that covers the entire project. For a faster setup, you can use one of ClickUp's pre-made templates, like Simple Gantt or Gantt Timeline. These templates provide a great starting point and can save you time. Want to take your Gantt chart to the next level? Use ClickUp Brain to generate tasks and define their dependencies. All you need to do is provide a short description of your project, and ClickUp Brain will automatically outline the structure for you. Once your Gantt chart is ready, don't forget to save it. If you need to share it with stakeholders or team members, you can easily do so right from ClickUp. And that's it. You've successfully created a Gantt chart in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.